Detailed history of Justin Bieber. Early life 1994–2007. Justin Drew Bieber was born on March 1, 1994, in London, Ontario, Canada, and raised in Stratford, Ontario. His parents, Patty Millett and Jeremy Bieber, were never married. His mother, with the help of his grandparents, raised him as a single parent. Bieber displayed musical talent at an early age, teaching himself to play the piano, drums, guitar, and trumpet. In 2007, at the age of 12, Bieber participated in a local singing competition in Stratford, where he performed "So Sick" by Ne-Yo and secured second place. His mother uploaded his performance on YouTube, along with other videos of him covering popular songs, which quickly gained attention. Discovery and early career, 2008–2009. In 2008, Scooter Braun, a talent manager, accidentally stumbled upon one of Bieber's YouTube videos while searching for another artist. Impressed by his talent, Braun tracked him down and flew him to Atlanta, Georgia, to meet Usher, who helped him sign a deal with Raymond Braun Media Group, RBMG, and Island Records under L.A. Reid. Bieber released his debut single, "One Time," in July 2009, which became a hit in Canada and later in the U.S. He followed this with his debut EP, "My World," in November 2009, which included hits like "One Less Lonely Girl," and made him the first artist to have 7 songs from a debut album chart on the Billboard Hot 100. Rise to Fame 2010–2012. Bieber's first full-length studio album, "My World 2.0, was released in March 2010, debuting at number 1 on the Billboard 200, making him the youngest solo male artist to top the chart in 47 years. The album's lead single, "Baby," feat. Ludacris, became a global hit and one of the most watched YouTube videos of all time. He embarked on his first headlining tour, My World Tour, 2010–2011. Released a 3D concert film, Justin Bieber, Never Say Never, 2011, which grossed over $99 million worldwide. In November 2011, he released Under the Mistletoe, a Christmas album that debuted at number 1 on Billboard 200. In 2012, Bieber released Believe, featuring more mature sounds and hits like Boyfriend, As Long As You Love Me, and Beauty and a Beat, feat. Nicki Minaj. This marked his transition into a more adult pop sound. Controversies and career struggles 2013–2015. Between 2013 and 2014, Bieber faced several legal issues and controversies, including being arrested in 2014 for DUI and drag racing in Miami, vandalism charges in Brazil and Canada, negative media attention for public outbursts, reckless behavior, and altercations. During this time, he also released Journals, 2013, an R&B-influenced compilation album that showcased a more introspective and mature side of his music. However, he announced a break from music in 2014. Career comeback with Purpose, 2015–2017. After a period of self-reflection, Bieber made a massive comeback with his album, Purpose, in 2015. The album featured hit songs like What Do You Mean?, his first Billboard Hot 100 number 1 hit, Sorry, Love Yourself, co-written with Ed Sheeran. The Purpose Tour 2016–2017 was a massive success, but Bieber canceled the final 14 shows in July 2017, citing mental and emotional exhaustion. Hiatus and personal growth 2018–2019. In 2018, Bieber took a break from music and focused on his personal life. He started dating model Hailey Baldwin, whom he had dated briefly in 2015. The two got engaged in July 2018 and officially married in a civil ceremony in September 2018. During this time, Bieber battled mental health struggles, Lyme disease, and chronic mono, which affected his health and career. Recent years and new music 2020–present. In 2020, Bieber returned with his album, Changes, featuring singles like Yummy and Intentions. In 2021, he released Justice, which included hits like Peaches, Holy, and Anyone. He embarked on the Justice World Tour, though some dates were cancelled due to health issues, including his Ramsay-Hunt syndrome diagnosis in 2022. Legacy and impact. Justin Bieber has evolved from a teenage pop sensation into a mature artist known for his resilience, versatility, and ability to reinvent his sound. He has influenced a generation of young musicians and remains one of the best-selling artists of all time, with over 150 million records sold worldwide. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Revolution Show. If you're new here, I'm Aklilu, and we're about to dive into something super exciting today. Whether you're here to learn, laugh, or just pass the time, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the fun. Let's jump right into it. Justin Bieber and Hailey Baldwin's relationship timeline. Justin Bieber and Hailey Baldwin, now Hailey Bieber, have one of the most talked about love stories in pop culture. From meeting as teenagers to a brief split and ultimately getting married, here's a detailed timeline of their relationship. 2009. First meeting. Justin and Hailey first met in 2009 backstage at the Today Show, introduced by Hailey's father, actor Stephen Baldwin. A video of their introduction later went viral, showing a young Hailey looking shy while shaking Justin's hand. 2014-2015. Friendship and first romance. They reconnected in 2014, hanging out with mutual friends, including Kendall Jenner. In December 2015, rumors of them dating surfaced when they were seen vacationing together. Justin confirmed their romance in January 2016 by posting a picture of them kissing on Instagram. However, they split a few months later, and Justin briefly dated other people, including Sophia Richie. 2016-2018. Distance and separate lives. Hailey later revealed that after their brief romance, they stopped talking for a while. During this time, Justin was in an on and off relationship with Selena Gomez, while Hailey was rumored to date other people. In early 2018, Justin and Selena had another reconciliation, but they officially ended things by March 2018. June 2018. Rekindled romance. In June 2018, Justin and Hailey reconnected at a Christian conference. They were spotted together multiple times, fueling dating rumors. By July 7, 2018, Justin proposed to Hailey in the Bahamas with a massive engagement ring. He later confirmed the engagement on Instagram, writing, "Hailey, I am so in love with everything about you. I promise to lead our family with honor and integrity, letting Jesus through His Holy Spirit guide us in everything we do and every decision we make." September 2018. Marriage at a courthouse. On September 13, 2018, Justin and Hailey got legally married in a private courthouse ceremony in New York City. Hailey later confirmed in an interview that they didn't have a prenuptial agreement because of the spontaneity of their decision. September 2019. Official wedding ceremony. A year after their courthouse wedding, they had a formal wedding ceremony on September 30, 2019, in South Carolina. The event was attended by family, friends, and celebrities like Kendall Jenner and Jaden Smith. Hailey wore a stunning off-white wedding gown designed by Virgil Abloh, featuring the words, "Till death do us part," on the veil. 2020 present. Married life and challenges. Justin and Hailey have been open about the challenges of marriage, including Justin's struggles with mental health, Lyme disease, and past emotional issues. Despite obstacles, they have remained strong and supportive of each other. Hailey often defends their relationship from critics, including fans who still compare their romance to Justin's past relationship with Selena Gomez. In 2022, Justin was diagnosed with Ramsay-Hunt syndrome, which temporarily paralyzed part of his face. Hailey stood by him throughout his recovery. Where they stand today. As of 2025, Justin and Hailey remain happily married and often share their love for each other on social media. While they've been asked about kids, Hailey has said they're waiting for the right time but definitely want a family. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Revolution Show. If you're new here, I'm Aklilu, and we're about to dive into something super exciting today. Whether you're here to learn, laugh, or just pass the time, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the fun. Let's jump right into it. As of February 15, 2025, Justin Bieber continues to be a prominent figure in the entertainment industry, balancing his professional endeavors with personal life. Personal life. Family. Justin and his wife, Hailey Bieber, welcomed their first child, Jack Blues, in August 2024. The couple has been adjusting to parenthood while maintaining their public profiles. Valentine's Day 2025. On February 14th, Justin shared a heartfelt tribute to Hailey on Instagram, featuring playful photo booth snapshots. He captioned the post, "Happy Valentine's Day from the Biebers." In response, Hailey shared a lighthearted meme on her Instagram story, depicting a cat playfully resisting affection, hinting at the playful dynamics of their relationship. Public appearances. Recently, Justin has been spotted visiting multiple spas across the United States, including locations in Aspen, West Hollywood, and New York City. These visits have sparked speculation about his well-being, but no official statements have been made regarding the purpose of these spa trips. Social media interaction. Justin's recent comment on Keke Palmer's Instagram post garnered attention, leading to discussions among fans about his online interactions. Professional life, music and tours. While there haven't been official announcements regarding new music releases or tours in 2025, Justin remains active in the music scene. Fans eagerly anticipate future projects and performances. Public perception, rumors and clarifications. Despite ongoing rumors about their relationship, both Justin and Hailey have addressed these speculations. Hailey recently shared a meme on Instagram, subtly acknowledging the ups and downs of their relationship, indicating their commitment to each other. In summary, Justin Bieber in 2025 continues to navigate the complexities of fame, family, and personal growth, maintaining a strong presence in both his professional and personal life. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Revolution Show. If you're new here, I'm Aklilu, and we're about to dive into something super exciting today. Whether you're here to learn, laugh, or just pass the time, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the fun. Let's jump right into it.